Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase email subscriptions with Constant Contact, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Constant Contact website. Sign up for an account if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Select the email option to begin creating your first campaign. Choose a template that suits your brand and message. Customize the template by adding your logo and adjusting colors. Craft an engaging subject line to entice recipients to open your email. Add compelling content that provides value to your audience. Incorporate images and graphics to enhance visual appeal. Make sure to include clear calls to action throughout your email. As you finish your design, preview the email to make necessary adjustments. Next, create a sign-up form to capture new subscriptions. Navigate to the List tab in the Constant Contact dashboard. Click on Create List to start building your audience. Once your list is created, go to Sign Up Forms to design your form. Choose between embedded forms or pop-up options based on your website. Customize the fields, ensuring you collect essential information without overwhelming users. Ensure your form is mobile-friendly for users accessing it on various devices. Publish the form to make it live on your website. Promote your email list on your social media profiles. Share links to your sign-up form in blog posts or on landing pages. Consider running targeted ads to attract specific audience segments. Monitor analytics through Constant Contact to evaluate the performance of your campaigns. Track metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and subscription growth. Use this data to refine your strategy over time. Send out newsletters, updates, and exclusive offers consistently. Utilize A/B testing to determine which content or layouts resonate best. Adjust your strategy based on the feedback and metrics gathered. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.